Unit 3 practice. Sounds. A apple a safe a, E egg e jeep I itch I pine I, O octopus O home O, U up U mule U rule oo, CH chin ch, TH thumb, SH ship sh, O school O book OU trout ow, OU soup oo, AW saw aw, OI coin oi. Sound. Yes. Sound. Yes. O. Sound. Yes. Aw. Sound. Yes. E says E. Sound. Yes. I. Sound. Yes. Oi. Sound. Yes. Sound 1. Oo. Sound 2. Sound. Ow. Sound. Sh. Sound. Ah. Sound. I. Sound. Sound. A. Sound. Ch. Sound 1. U. Sound 2. Oo. Go ahead and practice these sounds even faster. It's important to be able to read the sounds quickly. So you can pause the video if you need to do that. Now we're going to do some word chaining. So I'm going to start with this word. This word says, yes, spoon. And we notice the OO takes up one sound box because OO is one sound. So our word is, yep, and if I take out, I have the word, yes, I took out one of the words, one of the sounds from the middle of the word. So now we have the word, yes, soon. I'm going to change soon to, yes, seen. I'm going to change seen to, yes, see. I'm changing see to, yes, saw. I'm changing saw to, yes, paw. I'm changing paw to, yes, raw. I'm changing raw to, yes, draw. Let's take a look at this first phrase. Take a minute to read it on your own, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, this phrase says, the moon is round. The moon is round. If you can read the words without tapping them out, it's best to do that. I'm only saying the sounds because I can't hear what you're saying on the other end. The next phrase says, let's go over it. Do not shout. Do not shout. Okay. So if you have your graphing map with your dry erase marker, you can take that out so we can spell some words together. The first word we're going to spell is proud. Say proud. Tap proud. Proud. There are 4 sounds in proud. We're only going to use 4 boxes. Let's say the sounds. What says ow? Ow, like trout, ow, d. Spell proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Say wool. Tap wool. Wool. Okay, what sounds do we hear? W, So I hear like book. And I know that O says like book. So w, Spell wool, W-O-O-L, wool. The next word is saw. Say saw, tap saw. There are two sounds in saw. Aw. What sounds do we hear? Aw. What says aw? A-W says aw. Spell saw. S-A-W, saw. The next word we're going to spell is spoil. Say spoil. Tap spoil. Spoil. There are 4 sounds in spoil. Let's write the sounds. Oi. What says oi? O-I says oi. Spoil. Spell spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Okay, last word to spell right now is broom. Say broom. Tap broom. B-r-oom. There are 4 sounds in broom. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. B-r-oo. What says oo? O-O like school. Broom. B-r-oom. Okay, spell broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Now let's read the words from the top down and then from the bottom up. Word. Yes, proud. Word. Yes, wool. Word. Yes, saw. Word. Yes, spoil. Word. Yes, broom. Word. 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 Okay, let's get ready to write some phrases. Oh, no, we have sentences. Just kidding. The first sentence is, the ground is so wet. Okay? How many words are in that sentence? The ground is so wet. We have 5 words in that sentence. Take a minute now to pause the video to write the word on your own. And then we'll review it together. You need to pause the video, because we're going over it. So, the ground is so wet. So, we know the, our sight word, and we need an uppercase T at the beginning of the sentence. So, the word, we got our finger space, now the word ground. Tap ground. G-r-ow, ow, ow, like trout, ow, ow, O-U, and round. Okay, finger space is I-S, so, S-O, finger space, sounds in wet, wet. And then when I'm done, period at the end. Let's read our work. The ground is so wet. Next sentence. Look at that black cat. How many words in our sentence? Look at that black cat. 5 words again. If you need to take a minute to pause the video to write your sentence, go ahead and pause it now, because we're going to go over it together. Look at that black cat. The word look. What's the first thing I need in look? I need an uppercase L because it's the beginning of the sentence. Like book. O-O. Okay. Look, finger space, at, finger space, that. Sounds in that. At, finger space, sounds in black. B-l-a-k. Because it's a 1-syllable word, we're going to use the CK at the end. And a finger space sounds in cat. At. We'll use an exclamation point this time. And we'll review our sentence. Look at that black cat. And when I've used the exclamation point, I want to say it with feeling. Look at that black cat. Awesome. We'll see you next time, friends.